Are the 4 angels under the Euphrates already stirring? People are recording strange, eerie sounds from the river. In Revelation 9, God says 4 angels are bound under the Euphrates until His appointed time. And right now, as the river dries, recordings are surfacing online, trumpet-like groans and other mysterious noises. Some believe these are the angels warning the world, preparing for what comes next. Others say it could be natural phenomena, but the timing is shocking, and it matches the prophecy exactly. Are these just sounds or signs of God's plan unfolding? Whatever the explanation, Revelation is clear. The Euphrates angels are real, and one day they will be released. Comment, "I see the signs," if you're watching the prophecy unfold.